How to connect Solana wallet to Tapswap. Welcome, and let's get right into this tutorial. So first and foremost, you need to launch your Tapswap on your mobile device. After which, at the bottom, you will see some of the buttons. Click on the task button. Now firstly, when you tap on the task button, you would see an interface where you can tap on the start mission option. This is to add your Solana wallet to your Tapswap. So once you select on the task, you can select the option of connect Solana wallet, which will be displayed at the bottom. Then after you tap on Connect Solana Wallet, tap on Start Mission, after which you will also receive the reward. That is the first step. After which you tap on the Go or the Check option. It will redirect you to a pop-up web view. You will see the option to connect to the Phantom wallet. Click on where it says Connect. This will automatically open the Phantom wallet. In the Phantom wallet again, select on the Connect button. After which you will have to sign the message. Return to the web view where you initially clicked on Connect option. Then select on Sign In message. This will open the Phantom wallet again with a pop-up to approve the sign message. Tap on the Approve button. Then you can check to verify your wallet connection and select Finish Mission and tap on Claim to receive your reward. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.